So Smuggler's Run just got the biggest update since the ride opened. New mission, new planets, Unreal Engine 5 graphics, and a little green child over there judging your piloting skills. Now, I work in Galaxy's Edge and have ridden all 3 positions before, and one of them is way better than ever. Here's what you need to know before you fly.
Every smile, spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
We are back here in Hollywood Studios. Again, I know, and we're back in Galaxy's Edge. I know, guys, you know what? I live here now, basically. We're here today, back with Quinton, and we're gonna have some fun. We're here for a very special reason today, because today we are gonna take a look at the new rework of Chewie's doing something to the Falcon. The Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run attraction here in Batuu. If you're living under a rock like I sometimes do, Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run has had a brand new update added to its mission. Basically, you are no longer going to Corellia with Hondo. This time, Hondo is sending you to multiple different places that you can choose from, which we're going to take a look at, and you are traveling with the help of the Mandalorian and Grogu. Okay, so Hondo is still around running the show. We're going to see how this goes. I believe this is going to the left. Yeah, we're going to go to the left up here. Doing a double rider system today, not single, we're going double because there's 2 of us. So we're going to see how this goes because the lines right now are insane long. Hollywood Studios has been super busy this week with the reopening of Smuggler's Run, as well as Rock and Roller Coaster, now starring Muppets Electric Mayhem. Okay, so according to the ride attendant here, as engineers, we get to pick where we get to go.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. See you in the cockpit. What we concocted, of course. Not still here, go.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now. Rendezvous with the Mandalorian. There we go. Right, pilot. Made the jump to outer space. And go now.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, the flashing button to activate your tractor beam.
I got it.
Nice work on the tractor beam. Take out those scouts. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay in while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. Plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Know where you're headed. Right engineer lost the home beacons. Good work. Begin follow warning. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer. Take our destination fast. Coruscant. Let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump in light speed. Switching to iron again.
Oh, yeah. Hello, engineers. Remember, more crates.
They're working on Hondo. Talk to them.
Got him. Here's the baby. Hold this tight.
Enemy ships incoming.
Hey, we got one.
Quickly ship while I grab the Imperial officer.
Got him.
Look out. Hit the boosters. Right line. Keep the tug to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your friends.
You brought me back crates. Excellent work. Unloading now. Oh, these will get many credits for me, and some for you too, of course.
Better.
I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Marauder.
Bye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
That's awesome.
Marauder, what did you get?
Marauder, yeah. How many crates you get? 3?
Oh, yeah, I got 3.
Alrighty. Alrighty, so we've already ridden it once. We were the engineers. We're going to go back through a second time because it's really a lot of fun. We're going to see if we can't fly this time. Our destination will not be up to us, but now I got to learn how to fly in a completely brand new environment. You kind of get used to the whole Corellia landscape of flying and where to dodge this and that and how to fly around obstacles. This is a brand new thing that we're doing, so I got to learn how to fly this thing all over again.
Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
Ship Hondo size. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on use. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. Guys, take out those guns. Practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Haruka, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. Been course. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. And we're first see what we find. Crew, buckle up. Just the light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty turned out. Pilots and the wreckage would be unlearned. Simply clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with retractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, we'll stall the ship. There's our bounty. Follow. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Good shot. Another quarter crisis. Jump to light speed. Your hyperdrive failed. Watch out.
Oh my god. What?
friends.
That wasn't indoor at all.
Cargo crates unloading. Well,
First impressions, I absolutely love it. I thought it was really, really cool. It really puts a whole new flair on the engineering role.
Yes.
Which, because that's the thing, in the old ride, if you're an engineer, you just sit there and you push a button the whole time. And you know, anytime anybody crashes into anything, you push the button to fix the ship. This time, you have multiple jobs. So, like, depending on which left or right engineer you are. If you're a left engineer, not only do you have to look for bounty crates for Hondo, you have to reel them in. You also have to choose your destination, and if you're the right engineer, you had a special job, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to send out the homing beacon.
Right, homing beacons to go find the Imperial bounties. So that is really, really cool. So it really, frankly, I would say this whole rework is just for the engineer, because you know the gunner still shoots, the pilots still do the same thing. The fact that you now get to choose a different destination, so you're not riding the same mission over and over. Technically 4 different choices, because you start out on Tatooine, and then from there you go to either Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. If you have like a dedicated group or family that you're all together, like you're all part of the same group, you can really, really get in on that teamwork.
Yes.
So it's really, really cool.
Yeah,
We what
was the rank we got?
we got Marauder. I'm not sure how good that is in the ranking, but I think we did. I got 2 crates. You got like 3 crates. So I was a little distracted by all the cool stuff around me outside the cockpit.
Well, I mean, you gotta man the camera.
I gotta man the camera. I'm looking outside the cockpit, like, oh, that's so cool. And then there's little baby Grogu on my screen. I'm like, oh, he's cute. But
Flip
then,
here, flip there, flip there.
right. If I made y'all sick, I'm so sorry.
I actually find the ride better, honestly. I mean, still want the option of the original.
Right, yeah.
You know, but like right now though, with the new update, it's refreshing.
It is very refreshing, because ever since Galaxy's Edge opened in 2019, you've had the very same mission over and over and over, to the point where you just do it over and over. You try to just get a little bit better at flying, a little bit better at shooting, but you're doing the same exact mission going to Corellia to get the coaxium. And people don't really know what any of that means, whereas a lot of these other locations, like the Forest Moon of Endor, like Bespin, Cloud City, it's a little more familiar to the overall general Star Wars audience. I'm very, very impressed with the new Falcon rework. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to just continue to do this over and over, because as we've established, I basically live here. No matter what Disney park you work in, you always end up going to that same park on your day off, without fail. I just worked a 12-hour shift yesterday. I'm tired, and I'm still back here on my day off. Working for the Resistance is hard, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us on yet another adventure. Over the summer throughout here, there's so many brand new things coming to Walt Disney World this summer. New reworks of certain attractions, of course, we're going to take a look at. So if there's any specific attraction or parade or something yes, rock and roller coaster, we're going to get there. Look, I can only film one thing at a time. So anything else that you guys want to see us take care of here over the summer at Walt Disney World, let us know down in the comments. And of course, have a magical Disney day.
Worlds collide and hearts unite with stories we all know. Every smile, a spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.